Directory traversal. Directory traversals come from a lack of filtering or encoding of information used as a part of a path by an application. As with other vulnerabilities, you can use the same value technique to test for this type of issue. Example number 1. The first example is a really simple directory traversal. You just need to go up in the file system and then back down to get any files you want. In this instance, you will be restricted by the file system permissions and won't be able to access etc shadow. For example, in this example, based on the header sent by the server, your browser will display the content of the response. Sometimes the server will send the response with a header content disposition attachment, and your browser will not display the file directly. You can open the file to see the content. This method will take you some time for every test. So what we're gonna do is go to here, and we're going to open this as an image. So using Linux Unix system, you can do this more quickly by using wget. So here, what we are gonna do is, as you see, we are with hacker PNG. So we are going to copy this because we are on Windows, and we're gonna replace that here. And as you can see, we can access all the passwords of the system. This is obviously very dangerous because, I mean, you're getting the passwords of the people. Example number 2. In this example, you can see that the full path is used to access the file. However, if you try to just replace it with etc password, you won't get anything. It looks like a simple check is performed by the PHP code. You can, however, bypass it by keeping the beginning of the path and add your payload at the end to go up and down back within the file system. So here we're going to example number 2. And as you see, we have the entire path. So we're just going to erase this, which is the hacker part, and we're gonna paste the end of our payload, and again we are getting the passwords. For the example number 3, this example is based on a common problem when you exploit directory traversal. The server-side code adds its own suffix to your payload. This can be easily bypassed by using a null byte, which you need to URL encode as %00. Using null byte to get rid of any suffix added by the server-side code is a common bypass and works really well in a Perl and older versions of PHP. So we go to example number 3. And as you see, if we just copy this, we are not getting anything because of the suffix. But if we add this, the null byte, we are getting all the passwords because we are bypassing the security.